it got to understand that our flyers, our stickers that we're pasting for adverts, some group of persons had to go mobilize themselves, even pay these drivers that we hire to remove these stickers from the car. Somebody actually asked me, why am I doing similar thing that he or she is doing? Even the artists we have here prefer taking little or no money to perform in Lagos, then charge us down here higher.
I've noticed it.
I wish the government is in, because if they are in, it would actually empower us to do this in a bigger way. Funny enough, we don't have one single financial sponsor for this year, so it's just I and my team. Apart from Bitcoin Chief currently, there is no other person. They shouldn't wait for us to do something bad, engage in dubious stuff before they can notice us. The governor is actually trying.
Oh yes,
he's really trying, but I wish he can put an eye on entertainment, fashion to be precise, and see what we have to offer. We are bringing a whole lot of things this year. We're bringing a whole lot of artists. We're bringing white money down. We're bringing the happening artists of the moment, Evado also. Yes, and other artists. We're bringing not just music, but rave, bringing in the best hype men, the best DJs in the East, you know, the best models in the East, and the rest of that. The outfit is just dressed in a streetwear. You know, that ruggedity, that swag. Like, feel free to show your swag and ruggedity. And it's happening at Amadio Event Center. It's on Sunday, 31st August. Sunday, this week, Sunday.
What are we supposed to see at the red carpet?